Normally, when you ask any Muslim, which is the most authentic and best book of Islam, which is the best source of knowledge in Islam, can anyone guess? Quran. MashaAllah. You don't get any award for that. Simple question. Simple answer. No one will disagree. He may not be a practicing Muslim, but if you ask any Muslim, which is the best book in Islam, the most authentic book, the best source for knowledge in Islam, the answer is Quran. MashaAllah. But nothing great. The second question, which is the next source of knowledge after the Quran? Hadith. MashaAllah. No two difference. Hadith of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You may say Sunnah, you may say Hadith. There is no two difference. Everyone agrees. Whichever type of Muslim he may be, he agrees the first main source is Quran, the next is Hadith. Now, most of us are aware that there are different types of Hadith. Some Hadith which are Sahih Hadith, which are strong, authentic. Some Hadith are Zaif Hadith, which are weak Hadith. Some of them are Mawdu, concocted, fabricated Hadith. Which Hadith a Muslim should follow? Sahih Hadith. MashaAllah. 3 questions, the answer remains the same. It will not differ. Any type of Muslim you ask, whichever group he may belong to, whichever sect he may belong to, the answer is the same. Number 1 source is Quran, Allah's Kalam, Allah's word. Number 2 source is the sayings of the Prophet, the Hadith, the narration of the Prophet. Number 3, that in the Hadith, what we have to follow is the Sahih Hadith. No two view at all. Come to common terms as between us and you. Now based on these 3 answers, we proceed further.